Hertfordshire County Council is responsible for over 3,000 miles of road and pavements within the county. We have approximately 1.1 million residents within the county. Of those, around 60% do their commute via their car every single day back and forth. So in terms of congestion and volume of traffic, oneTRANSPORT is one way we can try and address that. So if we have congestion in one area, we can then make interventions in another area to allow that flow of traffic. So it's easing the congestion over a whole network. oneTRANSPORT's all about understanding the value of the data. Once we understand the value of data, we can better utilise our wider network.
So we have a lot of different sensors out on our network in the Watford area where we're running our case study, such as we have our scoot loops which control our traffic signals, we have our traffic counters, we have our ANPR, so those are the licence plate camera recognition systems. They all come from different suppliers. So to go get the data from those suppliers, they already supply us with what we wanted in our original contracts with them. We're now going and asking for essentially variations on that to go to this new platform in the process of opening up our data as part of the government's drive for open data policies.
Interdigital's open horizontal IoT platform is the basis for oneTRANSPORT. What we are providing is a new way to build infrastructure data and a framework for different partners, could be private or public, to actually target specific solutions and at the same time create a framework where they can target more solutions based on evolving needs.
So we are over a year into the project, of which part of that is the case study in Watford, looking at improving traffic, congestion and flow around the Ring Road and Watford Town Centre. How we are doing that project at the moment is monitoring all our sensors and mapping them using the oneTRANSPORT platform, and from that we're able to make a series of interventions to the traffic plans in that area, as well as our variable message signs informing people of certain car parks being full, so they knew not to go to those and use others, and we were able to adjust the timings of our signals to actually hold back certain traffic at certain junctions.
So it's essential that we get data coming into us that's to the point and is clear, so we can use it for our advantage. Aggregation of data is very key to us for the operation of this room and to help us deliver our network strategy.
We've got mapping systems, we've got systems that immediately alert us that there's been an incident on the roads. We've got systems that we can actually extract data from, that we can send out either to the public or to senior management where there's a massive incident.
Now with opening up our data using the oneTRANSPORT platform, we can easily go and with open source tools that are relatively straightforward to learn, we can go and make our own systems. We could not do that previously when we're locked in supplier solutions, so that's probably been one of the key achievements of the project so far. We already know that open data is incredibly powerful. We've now been able to show that at a local council level with our transport data. That happens in London at the moment, or happening here, and hopefully will happen across the rest of the UK.
So oneTRANSPORT is not just a single project anymore. oneTRANSPORT is an evolving ecosystem. So we have the core oneTRANSPORT deployment now, but there are other two solutions or two projects that are relying on this platform as a foundation for creation and innovation. And this is creating a national expansion of our technology and our solution.